Now we are going to go to home row adventures. So skill development, digital fluency, focusing on that. And so when you get into the AIing and vibing website, you'll select the skills tab in the navigation bar. This whole row here is called the navigation bar. So select skills. Then you have different skills that you potentially could work on. Right now, we're going to focus on digital fluency. So you select that box. You can just move your cursor over that box and then use your mouse left click button to select. And it gives you the list of activities that you could be working on. We're going to focus now on the home row adventure activity. And this activity is where you learn the home row keys, which are ASDF, JKL, and what is called a semicolon. And you will practice in this activity finger placement and type simple letter combinations guided by the AI. And trying to do it in a fun and engaging way. Um, and I think you'll like it. And let's try it. I'm going to put on enable voice output. Notice I am in Microsoft Edge as my browser, so that enables me to access Microsoft's voice, Abio Online. I can also select another Nigerian voice. I'll try this one today. Here. So the AI starts by asking me, am I ready to get going? And I am. And I'm just going to speak. Select the speak button. Yes.
Great. What would you like to start with in the home row adventure? Do you have any specific questions about the home row keys or how they relate to typing?
Home row keys are new to me. Can you help me get started?
Absolutely. Let's start by identifying the home row keys. Can you name the letters that are found on the home row? What do you think is the importance of these keys when typing?
I think the keys on the home row are ASDF and JKL and semicolon. By the way, to hit to a new line, I hit Shift key and enter. I can also speak it. So let's go back to speaking. These keys are important because this is the home position for placement of the fingers on the keyboard. For the left hand, the user or the left hand, the fingers from the pinky finger to the index finger go in the home position on the keys A, S, D, F. On the right hand, the home position for the index finger is on the J, for the middle finger is on the K, the ring finger is on the L, and the pinky on the semicolon. This is important because these finger locations enable us to move these fingers to be able to type all of the other letters and numbers on the keyboard. That's why they're called the home key position.
Wow, you explained that really well. You've got a solid understanding of the home row keys and their purpose. Now, how do you think practicing typing from the home row can help you type faster and more accurately? What could be some benefits in school or in a future job?
Having my fingers on the home row keys enables quicker access to all other keys. And that does enable typing faster. And the reality is, in the end, it's critical to be able to type fast in order to access jobs in the technology sector, for sure.
Exactly. Quick typing can open up many opportunities in technology and beyond. As you practice, what strategies do you think could help you remember the finger placements better? Have you thought about any fun ways to practice your typing skills?
I have not. Can you make suggestions?
Sure. How about trying a typing game or app that focuses on the home row? They often make learning fun. Or, you could create a challenge with a friend to see who can type a sentence the fastest using only the home row keys. What do you think about these ideas? Which one sounds most interesting to you?
Can you ask me to type a sentence with only the home row keys?
Of course. Here's a simple sentence you can try typing using only the home row keys, said Dad. How do you feel about typing that? Are you ready to give it a go?
Yes, here it goes.
Great job. How did that feel? Did you find it easy or challenging to type that sentence? What do you think you could do to improve your speed or accuracy next time?
The important thing is that I know which key my fingers are touching. So I didn't remember that my ring finger on my left hand was touching the S. So it's really important to know the keys that each finger is touching in the home row.
Absolutely. Understanding which finger goes where is key to developing muscle memory. How do you think you can practice keeping your fingers in the right positions? Would it help to visualize or say out loud which finger is on each key as you type?
Well, you can continue this activity on your own. You don't really need me. So the thing I wanted you to understand is that in talking with the AI and hearing what they have to say, if you don't really have a good answer, ask it for suggestions for things that you can do. It is able to guide and direct you on its own, but it really wants to have you kind of, it's pushing you to define what you want to do. But if you just need advice and suggestions to move forward, it will give you that. Just ask it to give it to you. And that's all I wanted to say on this assignment. Good luck. Have fun doing it. And